Hello traders, welcome to my channel. The pair is GBP NZD. Right now the market is major trend is uptrend, minor trend also uptrend. Okay, right now the market is at the level. The market will go up to this level. Okay, already market reversal from previous candle. This type of market is not good because of a lot of wicks and once when we start marketing, when you start trading, just once before check the market news. Right now the market news is 1925, previously 19, slightly still the market effect is continued. That's why the market is up and down in decision market. Okay, let's try let's try few trades. The market will go up to this level. Okay, after this candle I go with call. Okay, market trying to go up. Okay, okay, I just go with call because of previously this market will reversal from this level. This is the level. Okay, I think the market will go up from this level. Let's see what happened. Okay, now I won this first trade. Let's check. Let's again, and this level is seller's area, previously told, and round number 2 here 2.03 200, strong seller's entry. Okay, wait for the seller's and buyer's entry. I thought this is the next level. Okay, go. Okay, I go with call again. This is the strong bullish momentum, and this candle also have a rejection from buyers. Previously this is the resistance level, or this is the support level. The market will go up to this level. The next level is here. That's why I place a call here. Okay, the sellers are active. Okay, I just got my call. Last second I won this trade. Okay, previously sellers are entered on this level. Okay, very strong buyers entry. This type of situation, we wait for the right momentum because of this very strong movement. Okay, the market will continue. The next level is here. Very strong buyers entry. Think this is the next level. Okay, okay, I just go with the sellers because of this is the next level, and previously rejection from this level, strong sellers entry. That's why I came back. That's why I place a lower. At least 1 minute sellers are entering from this level. Okay, 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 okay. Shit. See guys, very millisecond I missed this trade. Almost I won that because I know this sellers will come this level. Okay, it's a doji. Okay, let's try again. Next level is here. Okay, I just place a call. From this level, again buyers are very strongly entered. The next level is here. The market will go up to this level. Okay, I go with sellers from this level. This is the previously resistance level. From this level maybe enter the sellers because of round number. See, this is the level. Let's see what happens. Okay. Again sellers will be and continue this market, because previously this is the doji. In this area sellers will continue, this area also to sellers area. Up to this level the sellers will continue. The strong sellers. Okay, this is next level. Market will come. Let's wait. This area is very strong. Okay, I go with sellers, because this uptrend movement is closed because of the very this see, this area is very strong level. This level is very strong. This one is very only retracement candle, because after two strong red candles, one green candle is retracement. Some buyers are entered from this candle. This trade also. Okay, again I go with sellers, because of market will go down from this level. Below my below this line will close the market. Because market direction is changed from uptrend to downtrend. Okay, this is also I want this trend. Very good, very strong counter from this level, and retracement will come. Okay, market will come down. Okay, I place call here from this level. This is the very strong bearish candle. Okay, after this candle I close my trades because of this is the huge trades. Okay, this is also one. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Out of 9 trades I won 8 trades, only one trade I lost. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. I'm also conducting online classes, but language is Telugu and Tamil. If you want to interest to join my class, please contact me on Telegram. Okay, thank you.